Welcome to today's Bible quiz. With 30 questions spread across 3 rounds, easy, intermediate and difficult, you'll explore a rich mix of topics from both the Old and New Testaments. Think you ready? Let's begin. Round 1. Here are 10 easy questions. Question 1. Who was almost sacrificed by his father as a test of faith? Was that Isaac, Jacob or Esau? That was Isaac. Question 2. Which judge was known for his incredible strength? Was that David, Gideon or Samson? That was Samson. Question 3. Who was the mother of Samuel the prophet? Was that Rachel, Hannah or Rebecca? Samuel's mother was Hannah. Question 4. Which prophet called down fire from heaven on Mount Carmel? Was that Elisha, Elijah or Isaiah? That was Elijah. Question 5. Which Old Testament book tells the story of a woman who became Queen of Persia and saved her people? Was that Ruth, Nehemiah or Esther? That was the book of Esther. Question 6. Which city was known for its wickedness but repented after Jonah's warning? Was that Nineveh, Babylon or Sodom? That was Nineveh. Question 7. What was Jesus' profession before his ministry? Was he a fisherman, a carpenter or a shepherd? He was a carpenter. Question 8. Where did Jesus turn water into wine? Was that in Nazareth, Bethany or Cana? That was in Cana. Question 9. Who was released instead of Jesus during his trial? Was that Barabbas, Judas or Caiaphas? That was Barabbas. Question 10. What city was Paul travelling to when he encountered Jesus? Was that Jerusalem, Damascus or Antioch? The answer is Damascus. Here's round 2 with 10 slightly more difficult questions. Question 11. Who led the Israelites in building the golden calf? Was that Moses, Joshua or Aaron? That was Aaron. Question 12. How many spies did Moses send to Canaan? Was that 10, 12 or 14? He sent 12 spies. And if you know the names of the 2 spies that gave a positive report, do let me know in the comments section. Question 13. Who was the Israelite military leader who refused to go into battle unless Deborah went with him? Was that Barak, Jephthah or Abimelech? That was Barak. Question 14. What did Solomon ask God for in a dream? Did he ask for wealth, wisdom or power over his enemies? He asked for wisdom. Question 15. Which Old Testament figure had a dream of a statue made of different materials? Was that Nebuchadnezzar, Daniel or Joseph? That was Nebuchadnezzar. And if you know the meaning of that dream, do let me know in the comments section. Question 16. What happened to Zechariah when he doubted the angel's message about his son's birth? Was he struck blind? Was he cast out of the temple? Or was he made mute? He was made mute. Question 17. What was Bartimaeus' condition before Jesus healed him? Was he deaf? Was he paralysed? Or was he blind? He was blind. Question 18. What did Jesus tell the Samaritan woman he could give her? Was that eternal bread, living water, or heavenly wine? The answer is living water. Question 19. Who asked Jesus, what is truth? Was that Pontius Pilate, Herod Antipas, or Nicodemus? That was Pontius Pilate. Question 20. In 1 Timothy 6 verse 10, the love of money is described as the root of what? Is that all kinds of evil, all kinds of sin, or all kinds of temptation? The answer is all kinds of evil. Here's round 3 with 10 difficult questions. Question 21. How was Abimelech related to Gideon? Was he Gideon's father, brother, or son? He was Gideon's son, and if you know how Abimelech died, do let me know in the comments section. Question 22. Which judge of Israel had 30 sons who rode on 30 donkeys? Was that Tola, Ibzan, or Jair? The answer is Jair. Question 23. How did God finally speak to Job? Was that out of a whirlwind or storm, or in a dream vision, or through an angel messenger? The answer is out of a whirlwind or storm. Question 24. What was the name of Hosea's unfaithful wife? Was that Tamar, Gomer, or Rahab? Her name was Gomer. Question 25. Where did God send Elijah to be fed by ravens? Was that to the River Jordan, the brook Cherith, or Mount Carmel? The answer is the brook Cherith. Question 26. Where was Jesus when he healed a paralysed man lowered through a roof? Was that in Jerusalem, Bethsaida, or Capernaum? That was in Capernaum. Question 27. Which Old Testament figure did Jesus compare himself to when speaking of being 3 days and nights in the heart of the earth? Was that Elijah, Jonah, or Moses? That was Jonah. Question 28. Which is the only gospel to include the story of Jesus washing the disciples' feet? Is that John, Matthew, or Mark? The answer is John. Question 29. What is the meaning of the word akeldama? Is that place of the skull, be opened, or field of blood? The answer is field of blood. Question 30. In which book can you find the following verse? Don't be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Can that be found in Romans, Galatians, or Ephesians? That's from the book of Romans. While you're adding up your score, here's a verse that was referenced in our quiz. Then he, Jesus, poured water into the basin and began to wash the disciples' feet and wipe them with the towel that was wrapped around him. Then he came to Simon Peter. He said to him, "Lord, do you wash my feet?" Jesus answered him, "You don't know what I am doing now, but you will understand later." Peter said to him, "You will never wash my feet." Jesus answered him, "If I don't wash you, you can have no part with me." Simon Peter said to him, "Lord, not my feet only, but also my hands and my head." Here are a couple of bonus questions for you to think about. How can we follow Jesus' example of humility and service in our everyday lives? And what are some modern day equivalents of washing feet that we can do for others? I would love to hear your thoughts below. How did you get on? If you liked today's quiz, please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. There are more Bible quizzes here. Thanks for watching, and grace and peace to you all.